Hi, in this video I will present you with an update for the ZoomExtSelFix that I created last week. Now with this update, the script would work also with the sub-object selection. That means if you select a geometry and go to a sub-object level and select a sub-object element and press Z, now it will zoom in on the selected sub-object element. Now the Z that I'm using, it is associated with my script, not the built-in ZoomExtSelFix. I removed the Z shortcut from the built-in feature and associated with my script. When you download the script, there's a ReadMe file that tells you how to install the script and how to associate the Z shortcut with this script and remove it from the built-in tool. Anyway, I will try it with different types of objects, like this 2D spline. Press Z. If I select vertex, for example, it will zoom in on the vertex. If I deselect and stay in the sub-object level and press Z, I will be zooming in on the selected object. Now the reason, like we saw in the first video, the reason for this tool is that the built-in ZoomExtSelFix had a problem when you are in a sub-object level. If it's 2D spline or editable mesh or editable poly or editable patch, or an object with an edit spline or edit patch or edit mesh, if you are in a sub-object level and on any of these, like here for example, but nothing is selected in the sub-object level, and you press the Z shortcut, the default, or you press this button here, which is the same thing, what happens that Max will zoom out and basically zoom extend all instead of zooming in on the selected object. Now with my tool, for example, now I will press Z to activate my script. It will zoom in on the object while we are in the sub-object level. In the first version, zooming in on the sub-object selection was left out. Now it is fixed, and you can use it as a full replacement for the default tool. Also, there was a small bug in the first version where if you switch to create mode or any other mode than the modify, it was causing an error. Now it works normally. So now I will try it with different kind of objects. Here, for example, I'm in the sub-object level. I'm gonna select a polygon. Now I will deselect. Same here, for example, go to, let's say, an edge, select this edge, or select a vertex, vertices here, deselect, and still in a sub-object level, example here, to the spline, nothing is selected, I'm in a sub-object level, press Z, but if I select a vertex or an edge, deselect, and also let's say an object with the edit patch. If I select a patch, deselect, and still in the sub-object level, editable patch, go to create mode. So basically that's it. Hope you like this script. If you do, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.